Hello, good morning students. Previous question I have explained question number 4. Sorry, question number 3rd. Now I want to explain question number 4. Just you see in this question, we have to find value of this number. Just you read the question. Using the identity for square for a binomial, evaluate the following. Means we have to use here binomial formula. Means already I have discussed the formula a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square, like that. So we have to use here this type of formula for that question. Okay, just you see here 203 whole square. 203 whole square means we can find this number like this also. We have to multiply 2 times, then also answer will come. But we have to not do like this. We have to use some different formula. Then we have to find value of this answer. Just you see here 203 whole square. We can write like this: 200 plus 3 whole square. Okay, 203 whole square. In place of 203 means 203, we have written 200 plus 3. Means this one is A and this one is B. So A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square, already I have discussed the formula. A plus B whole square, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square. This formula we have to use here. So in place of A is 200. So just put here 200 square plus 2AB. 2 into A means 200, B means 3, or plus B square. B square means 3 square. Okay. So what we'll do in this question? 200 square means 40,000. Okay. It will come 40,000. 200 square means 40,000. And now plus 2 3 are 6, 6 2 are 12. 1200 plus 3 square means 9. So after solving, just you add, after doing multiplication and a square, just we will add all 3 numbers, then we will get correct answer. Okay. So just you see here, after just you add here. So 9 0 2 1, like this it will come, and 4. So final answer is 41,1209. This is the final answer. Like this we have to solve next question also. Now this one is next question. So what we will do in this? Again, just you see here 500 plus 1. We can write like this. 501 is 500 plus 1. Means A plus B whole square. So what we will do? A plus B whole square. So it will come 500 square plus 2 into 500 into 1 plus 1 square. So 500 square means 500 into 500. So it will come 500 into 500. So it will come 250,000. Means 2,50,000. Okay. 2,50,000. After that, this one is not a point, means decimal, just it is a multiplication. Okay. So after that multiply 500 into 2, it will come 1000 plus 1. Now add all the number, then you will get 1001 like this, and then 5 and then 2. Final answer is 2,51,001. Means square of 501 is this one. Like this we have to solve. Okay. Next one, here C part 809 whole square is given, means 809. So how will I split up? We have to split up in 2 parts, A plus B, like this. So it will be a split up like this: 800 plus 9 whole square. Okay. A means 800 or B means 9. So again we have to use here formula A plus B whole square. So A plus B whole square means 800 square plus 2AB 2 into 800 into 9 plus 9 square. Okay, so 800 square how much will come? 64 means 6,40,000 it will come. 800 square means 6,40,000 plus this one is not a point, this one is multiplication, this one is multiplication. Now you multiply, after then we will solve. So 9 8 are 72, 72 into 2, 72 into 2 it will come 14400 plus 9 square means 81. Okay, so it will come 9 square is equal to 81. Now we will solve here. So 64, just we will add all the number 1 8 4 4 and 4 plus 1 5 6. This is the final answer. Okay, means 6,54,481. C and D. Already I have written here 98 square. So 98 square, how will solve this one question? In this question just some different, means here 100 minus 2 will come because this one is less than 100, so we will write down here 100 minus 2 like this. In place of 98, 100 minus 2 we can write, and whole square is there, so we will put here whole square. We are putting here, why we are kept here small bracket, because two term is there, that's why a small bracket is there. Okay, so a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula is a square. A minus b whole square formula is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square, like this. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this one is a minus b whole square. So a square 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square. Okay, now this one is multiply and this one is multiply. 100 square means 10,000. 10,000 will come minus 400 will come and 2 square means 4. Now just we will add this number 10,004 minus 400. So 10,004 minus 400, so it will come 40, and this one is, we will take borrow, this one is 6 will come and 9. So final answer is 9604. This is the final answer. A square of 98 square is equal to 9604. Okay, next one, F part I will do in this side. So 10.3 whole square. 10.3 whole square. What we will do in this question? Here point is there. F 10.3 whole square. So what we will do here? 10 plus 0.3 whole square. Okay, we can write like this. Means in place of A is 10, in place of B is 3.3. Okay, so A square means 10 square, B square means B square means 2AB. 2AB, it will come A square plus 2AB, 2 into A into B 0.3 plus B square means 0.3 square. Okay, so 10 square means 100 plus 20, and this one will come, we will multiply, it will come 6.0 something, means it will come 6 only, you will multiply. Okay, now after then 0.3 square means 0.09. Okay, now we will add 106, so 106.09. 106.09. This is the final answer. Okay, next one more question is there. Now I will write. Next part is next G means 9.8 square is there. So what we'll do in these types of question? 9.8 square is there. So in this question we can write like this: 10 minus 0.2. We will subtract from 10 to 0.2, then we will get 9.8 only. Okay, that's why I am written in place of 9.8 10 minus 0.2 whole square. So a minus b whole square. So what we do in this question, again we will put here this formula: a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so a square means 10 square minus 2 into a into b 0.2 plus b square means 0.2 square. Okay, so 10 square means 100 minus, then we will multiply, then 2 2 is 4 minus 0.04, this one is plus. Okay, now we will subtract this one: 100 minus 4, 96 will come, 96 plus 0.04. Now we will add both the 96.04. This is the final answer. Okay, like this we have to solve in the question, whatever exercise in the exercise are given. Okay, that's all.